Hello friends, welcome to our channel IT India. This video is related to TCS Elevate Wing 1 DCA September 2021. And in this video we are going to discuss few important questions from reasoning ability, and this is going to be part R2 for reasoning ability. Now first question, in each of the following question, 4 options have been given, out of which 3 are alike in some manner and 4th one is different. Choose out the odd one. So first option, it is given to us K, J, M, L. And position value of K, J is K is 11 and J is 10, M is 13, L is 12. Now G, F, I, H. For G it is 7, for F it is 6, for I it is 9, and for H it is 8. Now T, S, V, U. Position value of T will be 20. For S it will be 19. For V it is 22. And for U it is 21. Now for Z, A, B, Y. However, we don't need to check last option because in these 3 options we are following a pattern. 11 minus 1 is 10, 13 minus 1 12. And here also we are following the same pattern. 7 minus 1 is equal to 6, 9 minus 1 is equal to 8, 20 minus 1 19, and 22 minus 1 is equal to 21. But here there will be no pattern, as it is 26 and it is 1, B will be 2 and Y will be 25. So correct option will be Z, A, B, Y. Now in a certain language code, require is coded as ER, IUQER. What is the code for beneath in that language? So here R, E, Q, U, I, R and E. Here very simple logic is used in this question. For U it is U, and for I it will be cross, and for this it will be cross, and for this also it will be cross, and for this also same, and this will be at the end of here, and this will be at the end of here, and this becomes this word. Now for beneath, here will be the same pattern. H will be in starting, then T, then A, then E, then N, then E, then B, and this word is HTAE. This is the correct option. Now this is question from series D blank DEF blank EF blank D, and here solution is very easy. It will be DE, then DEF, then DEFG, and then DE. So option will be this age, because here we are following pattern DE, these terms, then DEF, and now increase one more DEFG, and then DE, and if there are more places then it will be DEFGH, but we don't need to go till there because here is our answer. Now it is question from mirror. What will be the mirror image of this? For mirror image there should be every part of this in image, and in this option this part is missing. This cannot be correct answer. Now in this option these are horizontal lines, but here are no horizontal lines, so this can't be answer. And in this also this part is missing, so this can't be your answer. So correct answer will be this. Now total age of Amit, Mahesh and Ramesh on 1st January 2015 is 108. So A plus M plus R is equal to 108. Now Mahesh is 3 years younger than Amit. So age of Mahesh is A minus 3. Now Ramesh is the father of Mahesh and their average age is, so R plus M is 42 into 2, because 42 is average age, so it will be equal to 84. So what is the age of Ramesh as on 2010? Age of Ramesh has been asked in the question. So putting the value of R plus M is equal to 84 in this, we will get A is equal to 108 minus 84 and it will be equal to 24. Now it is value of A. Putting the value of A in this equation, we will get M is equal to 21. And now R plus M is equal to 84 and value of R will be 84 minus 21. 84 minus 21. It will be equal to 63. And 63 is also available in question, but this is not the correct answer because this is Ramesh's age in 2015 and in question age has been asked in 2010. So it will be equal to 58 minus 5. Now select the number that can replace the question mark, one that will complete the following series. So 5, 9, 17, 33, 65, 129 and question mark. So here is very simple pattern followed. 5 into 2 is equal to 10 minus 1. 9 into 2 minus 1 is equal to 17 into 2 minus 1. So and 33 into 2 is equal to 66 minus 1 is equal to 5 and same pattern is followed. So 129 into 2 is equal to 18, 25. It will be equal to 258 minus 1 is equal to 257. So option B will be correct. So guys, this was all in this video. Thanks for watching this video and please do subscribe this channel IIT India.